Today's video is all about Node.js and PSQL. We will use Docker Compose 3.7 and Portainer stack to install and run both Node.js and PSQL. We are going to use Raspberry Pi. So SSH to your Pi and create a folder called Node project. Go into the folder, write cd node project ls to see what we have inside the folder. First, we will use Docker Compose. So go into the Docker Compose folder, open dockercompose.yaml by Nano. First, we will run Node.js as development. Both development and production script are the same. The only difference is volumes. All of this code can be found in my GitHub and also the instruction. Save and close the file. Now we will open our production script. Again, the only difference is the volume part. Save and close the file. We will look into our Node.js Dockerfile. Here we will pull all the latest Node.js, define the working directory and npm. Install Express and Node.js as a global installer. Add our volume and our index.js. Save and exit. Clear the screen. This is my small index.js hello world we will use for this project. We need to go back to our node project. Time to run our Docker Compose development script. Seems I am getting some weird error. Let me check what I missed. Found it. I need to be inside the Docker Compose folder. Again, now time to run our Docker Compose development script. Speed up 300%. Check Portainer to see if our containers are up and running. Yes, they are. Let us check Node.js log. Looking good. Let us check the PSQL log. Looking good as well. Now go to your Pi's address and port 3000. Yay, our Node.js project is running. We are running our development script. So when we change anything in our index.js, it should automatically update our node server. Let's do it. Open index.js with nano editor and add 1234. Save it and check the browser. Refresh and yes, it changed. Let us go and change it back. Yes, it is working. Now we will run our production script. Clear the screen. This command will run our production script. Speed up 300%. Check the browser to see that our node project is running and both our containers are running without any issue. Open our index.js and make a change and save it. It should not update our node project as we are in production mode. And it is not changing our node project. Now time to install and run Node.js and PSQL from Portainer stack. Click stacks. Here I already have a stack. Open it and click editor to see the stack. I'm going to copy everything and create a new stack. Click stacks and click add stack. Name your stack. I'm using my new stack and paste the code here. Go down and hit deploy the stack. Wait for a few seconds and you will see we have two containers, Node.js and PSQL. Click containers and here both our containers are up and running. Check if our node project is running, and yes, it's running. Open app.js with nano and make a change, save it and check back. Yes, it's updating. Check which container is running by typing docker ps -a. Now we need to find our PSQL container name. We're gonna log in to our container by this command. Check all of our default databases. We will create a user with a password. Give permission to our new user so the user can create databases. Exit and log in as our new user. Time to create a database. Check if it created our database. Yes, we have created our database. We'll connect to our database. Let's check tables. We don't have any tables yet. Last thing we have to do is grant all access to our new user so the new user can create, update and delete databases. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.